Alright, what's up guys? We are starting this video a little bit later. This is Friday night. We are going to take my car to my buddy Taylor's house, and me and Taylor are going to take the passenger seat out because now we are in the prep stage of doing the CD009 6-speed swap. So what should hopefully get accomplished in this video is that we're going to take my passenger seat out, put the CD009 in it, and take it to my buddy's shop, get the bell housing cut off. Hopefully that's what this video consists of, and hopefully we get all that done. So that's the plan. I gotta go get my dog inside, and then we're gonna head over there to Taylor's house now to take the seat out, so stick around. I don't expect you guys to be able to see anything at all out here. It is a good bit darker than you guys are most likely used to for these videos. Let's go ahead and crank this thing up. It is 6:14 in the evening. It gets dark here at like 4:40 something every day. So we have been defeated by a bolt. That back bolt is rounded off, or completely rounded, not really rounded off, but rounded, and you just can't take it out. So Taylor has volunteered to take us in the, okay, nice, in the Tahoe tomorrow. So we're going to take his truck tomorrow to carry this transmission there and back to get cut off. So that is going to conclude this video tonight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so Taylor's out here, disgusting looking morning, rain, shit like that. Devised a way to carry this transmission without it spilling, flipping over. So we got the CD009 put inside here. So what we have to do is right here at this line, this casting mark, we just gotta cut this bell housing off like that. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this off today, and then probably take this shifter extension bracket tripod thing off as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I think go get something to eat maybe first, something to drink.
Something to drink for sure.
Yeah.
So my bar on the way.
All right, we are here at Scotty's house. That's his truck he's been working on, and I think we're gonna do this here in his garage. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this transmission out of the back of here. So what contraption is this? Is this your idea here?
It's like an ATV jack. Like a motorcycle jack. Oh, I just sit on my ass. Or you don't. I'm not doing this.
Shit. That's what I came here for, man. You're the expert here.
You do, bud.
Man, you got a nice little setup in here. You got the little heater going. Slowly disassembling this transmission, all these brackets and shit that's in the way. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the internal slave. So for any of you Z guys, this is that plastic brittle shit that always breaks. Man, had to get the seat out.
I have a face shield at work.
Gotta chop this little piece right here off. Alright guys, so got the old bell housing lobbed off of there. Got this thing cut. We cut it right before the casting mark. Some people do before, some people do after. I don't know if it's cut far enough, but it should be. But either way, we'll bring it back if not. But this should be definitely a great starting point to at least get the adapter test fitted on there. So bitch is cut. Okay. This is Scotty's truck. He has a it's pretty dope, full like Cadillac interior. swap in it. Got the Cadillac dash and console cluster and whatnot. He's also done a 4L80 swap into this thing, and plans to turbo it or something. So he's about to crank it up so we can hear it, his exhaust. Any goodbyes you'd like to say, Scotty? Okay, alright, let's go to.
Rest in peace, Tupac.
What? Trying to get some nuggets. And Taylor is on his way out. We have the transmission chopped off back over here. Bell housing nice and chopped off. Cleaned up the input shafts a little bit. So that's gonna do it for this video. What we're gonna do next is, next video we're gonna clean this thing up, degrease it, maybe paint it. I don't know, I doubt it. Clean it up a little bit for sure. Take off the shifter extension thingamajiggy, and go ahead and take off the front plate and fit the adapter plate on there and see how all that stuff fits. So that's for the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Just short little videos, trying to get more videos out here for you guys more consistently. And so other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Appreciate it. Subscribe for more if you're just now checking in. Give the video a thumbs up. Other than that, have a good one, guys.